Okay, so we've been learning how to add and subtract rational numbers with different signs for the past few lessons, but today we are going to focus on a couple of tools that we can use to help our addition and our subtraction, specifically when dealing with mixed numbers that are both positive and negative. So, looking at the first number or the first part of our model, it tells us to rewrite the mixed number as the sum of two signed numbers. So, the sum of two signed numbers. So, what does this word sum refer to? Well, I know it's talking about the answer to an addition problem. So, somewhere in here, we're going to have to rewrite this problem as an addition problem or an addition statement. Okay. Sorry, I typed that in, or I wrote that incorrectly. Okay, so we need to rewrite this mixed number, -9 and 5/8, as an addition problem. Well, I know that this mixed number is made up of parts. So what parts are there? Well, I know that there's a whole number and I also know that there's a fraction. So then let's separate those two parts together. Like let's separate them and show that we can combine them back together by adding. So I have a 9 as my whole number and I have a 5/8 as the fraction. And so if I added them together, they would go right back to a 9 and 5/8. But I see that this number was negative in the beginning. So what sign is going to go onto this addition problem so that we get the same answer if we added them back together? Well, remember, we have to have two negative signs on both numbers so that when we add them, we keep the same sign on our answer. So they both have to be negative because in an addition problem, when we have two numbers being added together with the same sign, we add and keep the sign. So we would then get -9 and 5/8. Awesome. Let's go ahead and try one on your own.